To install a ghost armor, you need a bottle of solution, a squeegee, and a cleaning cloth. When making the solution, fill the spray bottle with water, then add 3 to 4 drops of Joy dish soap, then shake it up. Have a separate spray bottle for large devices such as iPads and laptops. This solution needs 5 to 6 drops of soap. First, you must power off the device. Remove the battery when possible. Clean the device by spraying it once with the solution, then wipe it down with a cloth. It is important you remove all dirt and debris, including lint, before you continue. The first piece you should install is the armor for the screen. Remove it onto the palm of your hand so that the adhesive side is facing upward. From about 6 inches away, spray the armor 2 to 3 times in a circular motion, making sure you evenly mist the entire surface of the adhesive. Also, spray the screen on the device 1 time. Remember, it's all in the mist. Holding the armor from the sides, roll it on the device from bottom to top. When it is down, move the piece into position so that it evenly lines up on all sides with any cutouts, like a button or speaker. Spray the squeegee and surface of the armor, then hold down the sides about 2/3 from one end. From your finger, squeegee to the edge. Start softly to avoid moving the piece out of position, then progressively apply a little more pressure. Switch sides and repeat in the other direction so that you overlap the center of the device. Afterwards, lightly tap out the speaker to remove any excess moisture. When there are pieces on the same surface as the screen, apply them at the same time. This will speed up your installation. With the small pieces, spray the armor once and press them down with your finger. The next piece you install is the back of the device. On the back, use the same techniques used to install the screen. Position the armor by lining up reference points, for example, the camera, and any other cutouts in the armor that must line up to a certain spot on the device. Never spray the exposed circuits on the inside of the phone. Some back pieces wrap around the side of the device, including the 3G iPhone. Hold the armor in place with your finger on the camera. At the opposite end of the phone, press the sides down with your thumb so that they wrap down. Line them up evenly without overlapping the edge of the back. The edges will not stick down until they are dry. To speed up this process, you can roll out the excess moisture on your forearm or a cloth. Work around the edge, forcing the solution out. Once dry enough, wrap all of the sides down and around the device. Start near the middle and press down with your thumb and around the curves. On the corners, you have cutouts called stress points. These are spots that help the armor fit around the shape of the device. Press down these points first, then work the armor with the shape of the corner. If you do not properly press down the corners, the stress points will relax and lift up. Pressing the armor back down in that spot will not solve the problem. You need to lift up the entire corner, then rework the edges out. Press away from the stress point and around the device. After the back, you install the edge pieces. When installing edge pieces, do not spray the armor or the device. The armor will not stick or stay in place. Before you begin, locate where all the pieces should go. Install pieces that have cutouts or reference points first, then install straight pieces last. Begin by lining up one edge of the armor with its reference point. Press down so that it sticks, then go about 1/2 inch and align the armor again. Continue until the entire piece is in place. This technique is called pinstriping. Go back and firmly press down on the armor. The easiest way to install edge pieces is to hold the device up in the air about eye level. Let the piece of armor hang away from the device as you pinstripe. When custom cutting, you must first locate a piece of armor close to the size of the screen. Cut off all the excess wax paper around the armor. Line up the armor in one corner of the screen. Put a pen mark where it overhangs the opposite side. Do this on the left and right side of the armor, creating 2 points across from each other. Place the armor in the sliding cutter with 2 pen marks on the cutting line. Then cut off the excess armor. Line the piece up again and repeat so that all sides fit within the screen. Make sure to cut off the pen markings. This way they are not on the piece you install. After you have cut both sides, double check that it fits on the device. Now you are ready to install the piece. The dry box is used to help the armor cure to the device faster. It also provides you with a secure place to keep your devices while you help other customers. After you install the screen, place it in the dry box facing upward. While the screen is drying, install the back piece and place it in the dry box. Then take out the device and put on the edges. When the back piece has sides that stick out while they are wet, place it over the upward blowing fans. This airflow onto the armor will dry the edges faster. If you need to assist other customers, remember to lock the dry box. To ensure the best customer service, make sure to fully explain care and warranty instructions to every customer.